enjoy a birthday celebration at this 108 square meter suite. Hotel Shangri-La Far Eastern Taipei, Plaza Suite room tour. Visit Horizon Club Lounge. Unbox full facilities here. Hi, I'm Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Welcome to Papa's channel, and good day from Taipei, Taiwan, where is my home. Today I'd love to celebrate the birthday of my lovely father with my family. There are many outstanding 5-star luxurious hotels in Taipei, and we finally picked the Shangri-La Far Eastern Taipei, since I heard they have great kids facilities. Let's go take a look. Before the room tour of our 108 square meter Plaza Suite, connected with a deluxe room, a complete walkthrough of the signature Horizon Club Lounge. As always, I'll let you know where I previously stayed in Taipei. Previously, I chose the classic 5-star luxury hotel Regent Taipei, unboxed their club room, and visited the best hotel lounge in town, Daban Lounge. All-you-can-eat Haagen-Dazs, Regent's own beer, amazing happy hour dishes, kids facilities, and the famous rooftop pool were all part of the experience. Check the link below for the full report. We drove here since it's not far from my home. Shangri-La Taipei is owned by the Far Eastern Group, one of the wealthiest business groups in Taiwan. They even own a telecom company. The hotel is located in the busy financial district, approximately 10 minutes walk from the nearby MRT station called Liujiangli. Upon arrival, the interior shows off a luxurious vibe. There are many collections of traditional Chinese antiques in the lobby. It's a unique blend of Eastern and Western styles. To my surprise, Shangri-La Taipei has been operating for over 30 years, and last renovation was 10 years ago. However, everything looks well maintained. To enjoy the best class of service, we booked the Plaza Suite connected to a deluxe room, with Horizon Lounge access for all 7 of us. We arrived at 2 p.m, perfect timing for afternoon tea. We got to enjoy a complimentary mini buffet. With hot and cold drinks. The kids truly enjoyed the moment while waiting for our room to be ready. The lounge, equipped with meeting room facilities and about 30 seats. However, the food offerings were limited, which was a bit disappointing, but the attentive service made up for it. After making everyone full, now let's head to today's main event. The 108 square meters suite room tour connect a Plaza Suite and a deluxe room. Alright, we got a room 330708 all together. It's a suite room and deluxe room. This Chinese-style doorbell is a classic decoration. Let's take a look. Hello! Yay! So firstly, let's take a look at the suite room. The suite room got a living area, and of course, let's take a look at the view first. The stunning Taipei city view. Wow, amazing, right? Okay, and the suite room got the living room and also the sleeping room. For the bedroom, they got a 1 king-size bed and a single bed, additional one for free. I like this one, quite nice. And the view here, no Taipei 101, it's a little bit unfortunate, but 33 floor is quite nice to view the Taipei city. They got a small living area with the tables. Nice. Since we come with a kid, so we also request this cover. And the shower room or the bathroom is actually quite decent with this kind of material. The huge bathtub. And right now they don't offer amenities,
but so we need to bring ourselves. They got a small TV right here. Okay, you can take a look at the brand. It's their own brand, Shangri-La brand. Quite nice. The toilet's right here.
The washlet comes with a fancy remote. I don't really use it, but it looks cool.
Okay, this is a shower facility. Same brand, John Masters Organics. So this kind of playing the advertisement for them.
All right, let's take a look what else we got here.
And this is the wardrobe. They got a safe and hangers, mini hangers with the iron board, umbrellas. Let's see what's inside. Whoosh. So they got a bathrobe. And the other side, they got slippers. This one nice. They got also free shoe shine service. Whoa, decent. Laundry bag and shoe amenities.
Although the main bedroom isn't too luxury, but the family living area here is definitely the highlight. Tablewares have their own place. Nice.
There's a huge table here for dining and some meetings with welcome snacks. Since it's a birthday, so we got a small birthday cake. Oh, some accessories. What's this DVD player? That's quite interesting. We're gonna use that.
A classic luxury hotel must have a premium pen in place.
Here got the fragrance and kind of a decoration and hotel introduction. Okay, let's take a look at minibar. They got glasses and teapot. Huge hot water boiler. Coffee machine with this tea, coffee complimentary. This is a request for baby bottle cleaning. Everything here you need to pay. Alright, it's not for free. Even in suite room. And let's see, open. Alright. Everything here is also paid. Alright. They provide a cup of drinking water in the glasses. There's also another toilet right here for the guests. Not so big, but good enough. Let's take a look at the second bed. So this is a deluxe room with two twin beds. They can combine together. Alright? And this is the welcome amenity with some kind of snacks right here. It looks a little bit better than the lounge, or not bad. And the view here is also a similar angle, but facing the buildings over there. Alright, so the TV, slippers, not bad. The changing room is actually quite big, also with a safe and all the same amenities right here.
Some power outlets and traditional internet cables are hidden here. For sure, nowadays we have free Wi-Fi to use. The minibar in the deluxe room is the same design as the one in the Plaza Suite, with wine glasses, coffee machine, capsules, and tea bags. Since it's a birthday, we received a complimentary bottle of red wine. Inside the drawer are paid snacks, and anything from the fridge will be charged to your room. Later, I'll show you where to find a mini-mart if you'd like this supplies in reasonable price.
The toilet is huge as well. Also come with a display with the shower. Hey, So, yeah, this one is also the washlet. Let's take a look at the hair dryers. Texcom hair dryer. Probably okay. The weight scale, nice bathtub. And the best part for this is definitely they can combine these two rooms all together. It'll become a huge room, around 100 meters squares. Didi, that's danger.
We forgot our iPhone charger, but luckily the hotel lent us one. Good job, Shangri-La Taipei.
Alright, let's take a look at facilities.
Now let's head to the 40th floor, where the spa and rooftop heated pool are located. Swimming becomes crucial for our kids to have fun in most of our hotel visits these days. The elevator buttons are unique, with large stickers and only audio feedback. We spent some time to figure how to control it. The rooftop pool is on the 43rd floor. Enjoyed an amazing view of Taipei City and Taipei 101 from this angle. However, there's only a small toilet here and no changing room or private shower, so better come prepared with swimwear from your room. The hotel provides an air pump at the pool. Just bring your float and blow it up here. Around the pool, there are many cozy chairs, and amazingly, every chair has a stunning view of Taipei City. We'll come again later tonight. This heated pool has a small circular warm pool, and the main pool is not cold at all for every season. Now let's dive in and have fun with the kids. Don't miss this facility if you visit Shangri-La Taipei. Even though I live in Taipei, it's still so much fun to have a family staycation at a hotel with full facilities. Definitely worth planning more Taipei hotel family trips next time. After a short rest in the room, it's time to explore the Horizon Club's happy hour. It runs daily from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The main highlight is the free-flow alcohol, but surprisingly, no cocktails are available. Since the buffet area is small, the food variety is relatively limited compared to Regent Taipei's Da Ban Lounge. The food quality wasn't bad, but there was nothing particularly exciting. The hotel's restaurants perform very well, but unfortunately, that wasn't reflected in the lounge this time. After the small meal, we planned to take a walk around the hotel. On my left is the hotel, and the right is an office building. Just a 1-minute walk brings you to a family mart. Buy your snacks and drinks there. Way cheaper than the minibar. Walk another 2 minutes and you'll find a 7-Eleven on a small street. If you'd like to do some shopping or grab a quick meal, there's a quiet mall with a food court, restaurants, and a premium supermarket to stock up. Before heading back to the room, I came up to the rooftop again. Such a beautiful city view, totally worth it. Don't forget we are coming for birthday celebration. We ordered a cake from the hotel's bakery, the Cake Room. It can be delivered directly to your room. Super convenient. We really enjoyed the celebration moment. Before showing you the breakfast buffet, more hotel facilities, and the kids club. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Good morning from Shangri-La Taipei. This hotel truly stands out in Taipei with a great view and nearly no high-rise blocking the skyline. Let me enjoy this premium moment. As we have lounge access, we could choose to have breakfast at the Horizon Club or to the main buffet restaurant on the 6th floor, Cafe at Far Eastern. They're currently featuring an Indian gourmet fiesta as the theme. Let's see what it's like. The cost of this buffet is fair for 5-star breakfast. 890 Taiwan dollars plus 10% per person. The variety is truly massive, especially the dedicated Indian food section. There are made-to-order options and a wide variety of international cuisines. During breakfast, they even serve desserts. And one major highlight, free-flow Haagen-Dazs ice cream. I also noticed a Japanese food section. I was hoping for sashimi, but unfortunately it wasn't available. Overall, the breakfast buffet setup is premium. The quality matches a luxury hotel standard. Definitely worth a try if you stay at Shangri-La Taipei. After breakfast, let's take a look at the second swimming pool on the 7th floor, which only opens during the summer. You need to find this secret path behind the restaurant. It leads us to the gym and the second outdoor pool. It's another luxury setup. This pool is surrounded by 2 tall buildings. It's connected to the gym and sauna, so you can change clothes and shower afterward, where rooftop pool can't. However, strangely, there's no shade or sun shelter. Luckily, it's cloudy today. It's a great option for kids to enjoy water fun at a different pool. Lastly, a quick look at the gym. Not very big, but well maintained. Now, if you're bringing little ones, should you pay a premium fee to access the kids club at Shangri-La Taipei? Most hotel kids clubs are free for guests. Here, it costs 700 Taiwan dollars per adult and a child. I have 3 kids. Should I pay 2,100 Taiwan dollars or say 70 US dollars? Let's find out if it's worthy. The kids club is on the 9th floor. It's currently decorated with an under-the-sea theme and called Ocean Adventure Park. It's actually made of real hotel rooms, repurposed into a temporary kids club. There are several themed rooms, like a storytelling lounge and a switch game room for older kids and teens. Another room is the slime DIY lab, but it costs an extra 499 Taiwan dollars. Unfortunately, it's too expensive for 3 of us. There's also an interactive game room. But sadly, even after paying the entrance fee, these games are still chargeable. There's a kids' salon with costumes to dress up as a princess in the Ocean Kingdom. And finally, there's a kitchen toy area and a young kids' playground. Personally, with 3 kids, it's absolutely overpriced for paying this visit. In the end, we brought our own toys and had fun with a bubble bath in our suite instead. In summary, as a 30-year-old classic hotel, Shangri-La Taipei still delivers with both service and hardware. The room condition is excellent, and the facilities are top-notch. Location-wise, it's not too close to the metro and lacks nearby attractions. The most disappointing part is the food offerings in the Horizon Club Lounge. It really doesn't match the level of other luxury hotels in Taipei nowadays. That's all for my review today. Hope it provides you the real insight of this facility. In my next video, we visited the newly opened Starlux First Class Lounge at Taipei Airport. Enjoy amazing table services and a made-to-order Wagyu beef burger. Compare their A350-900 First Class seat 1K and Business Class 2K in one go. What are the onboard services you can't miss? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.